For more than 20 years, the 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet 9000 has been your standard for rugged, dependable protection. Now, we've incorporated the best features of this cutting-edge helmet and re-engineered them in a brand new light. It's a legend reborn. The 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet 9002 NC. This slim, lightweight helmet is more comfortable with exhaust vents, ergonomically designed suspension, and a smooth ratchet that you can tighten easily, even with gloves on. But more importantly, it uses the newest technology from the 3M Speedglas brand. State-of-the-art precision optics. Advanced auto darkening that adjusts itself to your working conditions. A lighter, brighter, more detailed view of your welds with an improved welding filter that gives you more contrast and natural color. The new 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet 9002 NC. Advanced optics, improved comfort, and a great new look. Superior performance for welders who want it all.